van's got 4 brand new Q-Strength adjustable tie downs in the vehicle. It's got an all steel floor with anti-slip on the top. The Jensen TV has never been used. It's got Jensen sound system in here. Very, very, very nice. The van's super rare. It's got a power sliding door. It's got a Bronability UVL lift. It can be operated many ways. We've got wired remote. We have wireless remote that can work the doors. It can work also the lift as well. And then it's got 2 B&D transfer seats in it, one for the passenger seat and one for the driver's seat. So you can get your wheelchair strapped down. The person can then ride in the front. They can drive, they can be in the passenger seat. Very, very high option vehicle. It also, on the inside, has a power inverter for charging. It can charge your wheelchair, your powered wheelchair. And I'll show you where that's kept. Actually, a little storage here. And it's got the power inverter with a 110 plug. There's the button for it, the power button. It's got USB chargers in here for your cell phones. Again, it's got Jensen speakers throughout. It's got a separate air conditioning heat for the rear passengers. It's got mood lighting. It's got lots of storage space all around the inside. It's got shades and it has lights up there where the shades are. Really, really, really nice. It's got a shoulder and lap belt installed. All of that is brand new. So the Q-Strength system is brand new. The lap belt is brand new, never been used. Front seats, really nice two-tone leather interior. It's got these buttons to stow or have the lift go up. There's just little buttons right here, little toggle switches. It's got reverse camera. And then again, here is the B&D transfer seat for the passenger and the driver as well. This is a 1-owner, clean Carfax, no accident history whatsoever. It has just 17,000 miles on it. Excellent, excellent shape. It also has electric automatic door opener here in the front as well. And then that rear AC and heat, as I mentioned, the buttons are here for that. Got a little dimmer switch right here, which I'm gonna turn these lights. You'll see everything's all lit up, and I could make them be more dim. I could turn them off, or I can increase the intensity of those. This van is the 159-inch wheelbase, so it has a really, really large area for the wheelchair to be. Extremely spacious. Very, very, very nice. Got the backup camera right here. This van was done by Majestic. It's a Tempest X conversion. inverters down here in the back. And now we're just turning that into a little bed here for you. Van's definitely as nice as they come. You definitely won't find a nicer one with this many heavily optioned. Give us a call here at Conversion Van Headquarters, 469-272-7781. Thank you.